The customer service desk is an important showcase for your organization. A lot of customer contact goes on here, and you want to be able to speak to everybody. However, during promotional campaigns or unforeseen circumstances, the customer service desk can become overloaded. Customers become irritated, and potential customers may be lost. There's always a shortage of agents and telephone lines during peak periods, while there's always a surplus of both during off-peak moments. Sound of Data optimizes your accessibility by handling peak time callers so that you can reconnect at a quieter moment. Customers can leave their phone number to be called back later, or they receive a text message as soon as the queue has disappeared. This prevents waiting unnecessarily and getting frustrated. Thanks to this solution, you exceed customer expectations and enhance employee output. Sound of Data's peak time solutions, optimal accessibility in all circumstances.